First question. So children, quadrilaterals, video 3 children. Okay. First question to Vedant. Vedant, can you tell this question?
Yes, sir.
See, there are two polygons are there such that the ratio between their measures of their interior angles. Interior angles are in the ratio of 3 is to 4. And ratio between their number of sides is 1 is to 2. Each polygon has how many sides and everything. So this is the question.
Sir, so interior angle will write as n minus 2.
Interior angles formula is n minus
N
2.
minus 2 into 180 by n.
Interior angles is n minus 2 into
But
180 by n.
here one n will take so another the other interior angle is first interior angle will be n1,
So
this one, the second one will be 2n minus 2 by 180 by
okay, so what we'll do, children, this is first one, this is first one, this is first one. And second one, I2 is
n2
n2 minus 2 into 180 by
180 by
n2. 180, 180 cancel, children.
cancel.
I1
Yes,
by I2 is how much, children?
3 is to 4. 3 is to 4 is equal to
This will take 1x and this will take 2x.
2x. That's what it is.
This will take, children, 1x minus 2
Minus 2 by
by 1x.
1x.
This will take what, children?
2x minus 2 by 2x.
So please see here, children. X gets cancelled. This will go here. This come here. 3 by 4 is equal to
Equal to 2x square. Okay, 2x 2 into x minus 2, and this becomes 2x minus 2.
this 2 has gone here and this is going here. Now let's do
Yes, sir.
cross multiplication. So 3
3
2s are 6x.
6x minus 6 is equal to 8x minus 8.
4 2s are 8. 8 into x minus 2. That is 6x minus 6x is equal to 8x minus 16.
Plus
Bring this
16
here. Bring this here. 16 minus 6 is equal to
is equal to 8x minus 6x. 10 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 10 by 2. X is
x
equal
is
to
equal to one is 1x, other one is 2x. One
x
of
is
them
equal to
has 5 sides, other one has
10
10
sides.
sides. One of them has 5 sides, other one has 10 sides. One of them has 5 sides, pentagon, other one has 10 sides, decagon. Decagon. Okay, children? Very, very beautiful question. I hope you enjoyed. Pravalika,
Yes, sir.
show that the angle of regular octagon is 3 by 2 times that of square. Uh, show that total angle of octagon is 3 by 2 times total angles of square. Total angles of square. Just tell me what is total angle of octagon on a formula?
N minus 2 into 180.
Okay, how much?
8 minus 2 into 180.
How much?
6 into 180.
Okay, how much? 1080.
1080.
And what is this one?
4 minus 2 into 180.
One second.
Wait,
One
sir.
second. So total angle of octagon is 3 by 2 times that of 3. Yeah. What is this one? No, square.
1 minus 2 in n minus 2 into 180. 4 minus 2 into 180. 2 into 180. 360.
360. Okay. Now, can you do 360 into 3 by 2?
360 into 3 by 2.
180 into 3 is how much?
90,
540.
500.
So, he's saying, show that angle of octagon is regular angle of 3 by 2 times. No, no. Interior angle is asking, no, not each angle. Because we are not getting answer, no. Let's see interior angle, octagon. Now, interior angle of octagon is 3 by 2 times interior angle of square. Interior angle of octagon, can you tell Nana?
N minus 2 into 180 by n.
Okay.
8 minus 2 into 180 by 8.
Okay.
6 into 180 by 8.
Okay. 2 threes are 2 fours are 4 fours are 64. 45 threes are 135.
130.
Now tell me this one.
N minus 2 into 180 by n. 4 minus 2 into 180 by 4. 2 into 180 by 4.
Okay.
180 by
90 degrees. 90 into 3 by 2, can you help me?
yes. 45 into
135.
1.
Yes. It is proved. Understood?
Yes.
Internal angle of octagon is 3 by 2 times the internal angle of square. Like that we have to do, children. Okay? Next. Nandika, can you tell the answer? Nandika? ABCD is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means all sides are equal, children. All sides are equal. Regular pentagon means all sides are equal. Okay. The measure of angle A of pentagon meets the side CD at M. The bisector of angle A, children, CA, B, C, D, E. Bisector of angle A meets at side CD at M. Bisector here meets at M. Children, what is meant by bisector? This angle and this angle will be equal. Show that angle AMC. Show that angle AMC. What is this angle is asking? What is this angle? What is this angle? That's all, children. Okay. Okay. So each angle. What is the each angle? Sujit, what is the each angle of pentagon? Sujit?
Minus by n is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180 by 5 by n. 3 into 180 by 5
108
108
degrees.
degree.
So, Sujit, if you see carefully, this is 108 degrees. Means bisector means this is 54, this is 54. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
This is how much? 108.
108.
This is how much? 108.
108.
He is asking what is this angle? What is this angle? 4 angles are there, means what is the total angle? 360. Can you tell
360.
how to do? 54 plus
108 plus 108 plus 108 plus x is equal to 360.
Okay. 108 plus 108 is 216. 216 plus 4 is 220, 270. 270 plus x
70
is
plus
equal to
x is equal to
360.
360.
X is equal
X is
to
equal to
90
90.
degrees. X is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Surya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Last question. Two regular polygons have their sides in the ratio of 3:2. The sides of two polygons are in the ratio of 3:2. And their interior angles are in the ratio of 10:9. Their interior angles. First sum we did know today, that one. Find the number of sides. Find the number of sides of each polygon. First sum we did know. I1, I2, I did not like that one. First sum we did not like that. Can you tell?
Sir, you can take the ratio of 2:9 is 10x and 9x.
3x and 2x. I1 by I2 is equal to interior angle formula
Sir, n minus 2 into 180.
by n, because this is I1, M1, N1. And
Yes.
I2 is
Sir, n minus 2 into 180 by n2. I2.
what is interior angle ratio?
Sir?
10 by 9. Interior angle ratio 10 by 9.
Yes.
What is N1? 3x.
3x.
Say it by 3x.
3x.
What is N2? 2x.
2x minus 2 into 180 by 2x.
This will go here. This will come here. 180, 180 cancel. 10 by 9 is equal to 2x will go here. 2x into 3x minus 2.
3x minus 2 by 3x into
3x into 2x minus 2. X cancel. Do cross multiplication. 10 3s are 30.
30.
30 into 2x minus 2.
Yes.
9 2s are 18.
18
into
3x. No, 2.
this is 60x minus 60. This is 54x minus 36. This comes here, this goes here. 60x minus 54x is equal to
6x is equal to.
6x is equal to
So 6x is equal to
24. X is equal to 24 by 6. X is equal to 4. So what is one is 3x, one is 2x. 2 into 4 is 1. 3 into 4 is 1. 2 into 4. One has 12 sides, other one has 8 sides. 12 sides and 8 sides. Okay, children. Like this, we have to do very, very nice sums, children. I hope you enjoyed it. Remaining sums we'll do in next video, children. Thank you so much.